Direct connections that bring data directly into your accounting system from a bank or credit card company are actually not doing you any favors. Here's why. First, if you direct connect, you don't always have that source of truth, that original PDF statement that you can always go back to. With computer file storage so efficient today, it really is best practice to download those gold standard PDFs and keep them. But here's the worst part. Once your transactions are inside an accounting system, that accounting system cannot go backwards and create a legal statement for you. The second major shortcoming of direct connections is that they have the same messy transaction descriptions that you have to clean up somehow. And believe it or not, direct connections do not guarantee that transactions are not lost or duplicated because they are not pre-reconciled and do not have unique ID numbers to stop duplications. The third reason that Badbank doesn't prefer direct connects is because the banks go through great lengths to warn you that they are no longer liable for whatever third parties do with your data. This is inconsistent with Badbank's mission to give you better control over your own financial data. And although third parties are also very transparent about telling you what they do with your information, you have to take the time to search for that information in their privacy policies and terms and conditions. They will tell you what they are doing with, or how they are selling, your information. This moving target is, again, inconsistent with Badbank's mission to give you better control over your own financial data. And as is stated clearly on our website and in our privacy policy, Badbank does not and never will sell your information. We are a data processing service that aims to save you time and money by fixing the three major problems with direct connections with bank and credit card companies. Give us a try today with a 100% free subscription tier.